Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2018 Audi Q3 1.4 TFSI Black Edition S Tronic, a sporty and refined SUV with premium features and a bold design. At the front, the Q3 showcases Audi's signature black honeycomb grille, sleek LED headlights, and a sculpted bumper, giving it an aggressive yet stylish look. The side profile features 19-inch alloy wheels, roof rails, and Black Edition exterior styling, enhancing its sporty character and everyday practicality. At the rear, the Q3 boasts LED taillights, a subtle roof spoiler, and a power-operated tailgate, ensuring both style and convenience. Powered by a 1.4-liter TFSI engine with cylinder-on-demand (COD) technology, the Q3 delivers a balance of performance and efficiency with a smooth S-Tronic automatic gearbox for a refined drive. Stepping inside, the Q3 features half-leather cloth sports seats, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and a premium BOSE surround sound. The MMI navigation system, Bluetooth, and DAB radio ensure seamless connectivity, while dual-zone climate control enhances comfort. The spacious rear seats provide ample legroom, making long journeys more enjoyable. Split folding seats add flexibility for extra storage when needed. With a generous boot capacity and an electric tailgate, the Q3 is practical for both everyday use and long trips. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629. Quote, registration SV18A DT to book a test drive or request a video tour.